firstly you need to go to the Google and type Thingspeak and open that area. So I have already opened. Then let me show you earlier, like this interface will be there. You need to create an account. After creating, you need to go to the channels and create on my channels. Then you need to create a new channel, like I creating test one. Afterwards, like what you need to depict, like suppose humidity, then save channel. After saving, this type of interface will be there along with the graph. uh, then you need to do one thing, like you need to go on your code, as these are the libraries that we need to include: Wi-Fi, Nina, Thingspeak library, and DHT22, or what type of sensor you need to use. Then you need to add your hotspot name or the Wi-Fi to which you are about to connect, and Wi-Fi password. Then you need to enter the API key. This is the main thing over here. Okay, so as you go over here, uh, go on API keys. This is the API key. Here you need to copy the right API key, because you have used the right field function over here, suppose here. And then you also need to pass the channel ID over here. So this is our channel ID, and you need to copy it uh, here. After all the checking over here, then you need to write your code. You can also need to set the bandwidth. You also need to install few libraries like Thingspeak, uh, such as this Thingspeak by MathWorks, and you can also install Wi-Fi library, or there is one for more library, Wi-Fi Nina. Uh, such type of libraries you can also install according to your preference. And afterwards you need to go on file, uh, examples. Then you need to go on Wi-Fi Nina, sorry, Wi-Fi Nina, not Thingspeak. Then you need to go on mkdr, and according to seats, like you have used the single field, then single field code will be there. You will be altering this code, like I have altered as shown you earlier. So this is how your credentials over here, libraries you have included, your passwords, index, like you have created a Wi-Fi client over here, and much more, channel ID, API key, and furthermore over here, I have also created a function for the Wi-Fi connections. The status is also over here, uh, and if it's connected, then successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. If not, then not connected. So you need to do such kind of steps. Then according to, based on your uh, loop of the serial monitor, your answer will be displayed. Like I go on to again Thingspeak, as I have performed it earlier. So I will show you how it will be displayed. EST sensor Thingspeak, and this was my graph. When I will be connected with the net, then first dot will be there, then again it will be started, and according to the data it will be recorded. So these were the few steps with which user can create, and he can use the functions which are inbuilt over here. So that's much.